Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro to the 2018 Suzuki Swift, stock number 6012. It's ran from the 4th 2017 to 11th 2023. There's a K12C 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 1-speed CVT transmission. This is a K12C 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,